In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use GitHub Copilot AI in Android Studio. We're going to walk through the full setup process from installation to your first AI generated code suggestion. And the good news is that it only takes a few minutes. If you want to speed up your coding workflow and get smart inline suggestions while you write, this is a great tool to have inside Android Studio. To begin, open Android Studio and head to the Settings menu. If you're using Windows, you'll find this under File, and if you're on a Mac, open the Android Studio menu instead. This is where you can manage the app's configuration, including plugins and development tools. Once you're in Settings, look for Plugins in the sidebar. Click that, then switch to the Marketplace tab at the top. The Marketplace is where you can browse and install additional features for Android Studio. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot. When it appears in the results, click the green Install button next to it. Android Studio will download and add the plugin to your environment. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. After the installation finishes, you'll be prompted to restart the integrated development environment. Go ahead and do that because the restart is necessary to fully activate the plugin and make it available inside the editor. When Android Studio opens again, you should see a notification asking you to sign in to your GitHub account. Click Sign In to begin the authorization process. This connects the plugin in Android Studio to your GitHub access so Copilot can work properly. Next, a unique 8-digit device code will appear on your screen. Copy that code, then click the option to open the verification page in your browser. On the GitHub page, paste in the code, authorize the application, and then return to Android Studio. This step confirms that your account is allowed to use the Copilot plugin in the editor. Once that's complete, you're ready to try it out. Open any code file in your project and start typing either a function name or even a simple comment describing what you want the code to do. GitHub Copilot will begin offering suggestions as you type. When you see a suggestion you want to use, press the Tab key to accept it. That's it. You're now ready to write code faster and more efficiently with GitHub Copilot in Android Studio. Thanks for watching and happy coding.